This isn't just pasta, it's a global phenomenon, traveling thousands of miles to reach millions of homes every single day.
Here you go, sweetie. Wow, thanks, Mom. It looks amazing.
Every shipment of durum wheat is rigorously tested before it enters the milling process. Fresh durum wheat enters the cleaning department. Vibrating screens, rotary sifters, and powerful air separators. Utilizing a gradual reduction process, the massive steel rollers break the wheat into coarse semolina, preparing it for the next stage. The key to premium pasta is the separation process, where golden semolina is isolated from the fine bran. It is the bronze dyes that give the pasta its distinctive rough texture, essential for absorbing the sauce. Transferred through massive stainless steel pipelines, the golden dough is pushed toward the extrusion machines, monitored closely by the team. High-speed synchronized rotary blades automatically cut the continuous spaghetti strands into perfectly uniform retail lengths with incredible accuracy. We're seeing a spike in Zone 3. Rerouting the dry air sequence. Confirmed stabilization for premium quality. Fresh spaghetti continues its slow journey through these giant drying tunnels, where moisture is gradually removed over many hours. This mesmerizing golden waterfall is the result of precision engineering, captured here in ultra-high definition. With AI vision cameras inspecting every package, the system achieves near-perfect coating accuracy and full traceability. Deep within the automated warehouse, robotic cranes move with flawless precision, guided by advanced AI software.
Container 4 Bravo is fully loaded. Reroute the next shipment to Dock 7 immediately.
We have a bottleneck forming at Sorter 12.
The drone is showing heavy congestion there. Adjust the flow rate remotely.
From the peaks of the Rockies to the Heartland's farms, this convoy ensures premium spaghetti reaches dinner tables nationwide. After traveling thousands of miles by train and ship, the journey ends here, bringing joy to families everywhere.